You know that yellow butter chicken from My Diners? Well, this dish was certainly inspired by it, and this is my very simple version of how to make My Diners butter chicken. To a heated pan, you'll add in some butter and you'll allow the butter to melt before adding in some sliced chilies, turmeric, kashmiri masala, and dhania jeera powder, and allow the spices to cook for a couple minutes. Next, add in the lightly seasoned chicken breast, which I've seasoned with salt, pepper, ginger and garlic, and lemon juice, and you can find all of the quantities in the caption below. Add in half a cup of cream and mix it into the chicken, and then pop on the lid and allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Next, you're going to add in milk, and you're also going to take the egg yellow food coloring and mix it in some water and drop it in. At this point, you'll make sure that everything's well incorporated, give it a nice mix, pop on the lid, and you want to simmer this on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. Now, to thicken the butter chicken gravy, you're going to add some water to some cornstarch, make sure that it's well dissolved, and then pour it in. Once everything is well mixed, you're going to season with some salt. So at this point, just give it a quick taste test, and then you're going to pop the lid back on for the sauce to simmer and thicken. Once the butter chicken gravy is to your desired consistency, then you can give it one final mix, and we're going to finish off with just half a teaspoon of butter, some sugar. Once that's well incorporated, you can let it cook for like 2 to 3 more minutes, and then finish off with some fresh coriander, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy my version of My Diners butter chicken. If you do manage to try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy.